Hello everyone, welcome to Just A GearHead. Today we're going to continue on with the body quarter panel repairs. Specifically this end over here, there's a gap. I'm going to try to make a filler piece in there, and if we have enough time we'll try to do the end piece on the passenger side as well. So stay tuned. Alright, not sure how good we can see this. The sun's kind of on the other side of the car right now. But this is the spot we're going to be working on right now, is blending the new quarter panel into this tail section. In the video where I cut off the quarter panel and put this new one on, I did cut it too short. Like, this is right where the new quarter panel ends. This was right where the fold line was. This was really rusty down in here. I could have maybe have left a little bit here and it might have been okay, but it was really thin. As you can see, there's a little hole there now. So we're going to have to bring this piece up here. And then it might end up being more than one piece. I might end up doing a strip and then creating this triangle piece down here. We will see, but that's what we're going to be working on today. Alright, so that's the top piece all in and tacked in place and hit with the flapper wheel. Now I'll be working on that bottom triangle piece. I'm going to have to do a little CAD, I think, as the guys from Project Binky call it, the cardboard assisted drafting. it is, kind of in place. This corner is a little sharper than the factory one. The factory one's more rounded, but I figured this would be good enough for me. So, and the bumper is going to come around and hide this. So I'm not super concerned. I just want it to be, you know, good structurally. I'm not so concerned about the cosmetics because of it being exact. Because, well, nothing else is exact. But yeah, I think once I finish welding it up, I'm going to bang this in a little bit and whatnot. Should look pretty good. So yeah, we'll come back after I got this mostly welded up. Little piece in, and another piece there. Then I had to make a couple of pieces for over here because this was so thin that the welds just kind of blew through it. But there, that corner is pretty much ready for fillers and stuff almost. Got probably, like there's a few little spots I need to go back over, hit with the welder again. But yeah, that is coming along nicely. Turns out I forgot to film an outro for this video. So yeah, we'll leave it with that driver's side being done, or mostly done. And I will be doing the passenger side as well. I don't know if I'll film it or not, so that might be in the next episode, might not. But basically we're going to continue working on rust repair and whatnot. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. For all of you who have liked, comment, and subscribed in the past, thank you. And if you guys want merchandise, please check out the link to my Redbubble page in the description below. And I thank you again for anyone who has bought merchandise. Anyways, we will see you next time.